Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane, and before we get into the video, I'd like to take a moment to thank everyone who has taken the time to watch, comment, and like the videos, and a special thanks to those who have subscribed to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, on this channel we take a look at dividend stocks, dividend growth stocks, and all things around dividends and passive income. That's what we cover here. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever we put out new videos. With that said, let's get right into the video. We are going to cover the stock pick of the day, and today we are going to cover Coca-Cola. I'm sure everyone knows Coca-Cola. It's a soft drink that's been around for a long time. They don't just do soft drinks, they also do some snacks. So if your snacks and beverages in your cupboard are from Coca-Cola, you might find it interesting to take a look at this company currently. So as you can see a little bit about the company, if you want to learn more, I picked this up from their homepage at www.coca-cola.com or coca-colacompany.com on May 8th, 1886. So they've been around a long time, since 1886, far longer than you or I have been alive, or anyone watching this video for that matter. Dr. John Pemberton served the world's first Coca-Cola at Jacob's Pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia. From the one iconic drink, we've evolved into a total beverage company. More than 1.9 billion servings of our drinks are enjoyed in more than 200 countries. So this definitely gives you exposure outside the United States as well as in the United States each day, and it's the 700,000 individuals employed by Coca-Cola Company and 225 plus bottling partners that help to deliver refreshments across the globe. So again, global company, gets you exposure to not only the American market but several other markets around the world. Full disclosure, it is in my portfolio. It also is in Warren Buffett's portfolio. So as you can see, at the close of business on June 14th, it was down 2.74%. Closed the day out at 59.23. We are talking about Coca-Cola Company, ticker KO. 52-week range as low as $52.28, as high as $67.20. So about midway between the two, not at the 52-week low, but not at the 52-week high either. A market cap of $256.764 billion, a beta of 0.59, so less volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 24.99, that is pretty high. Speaks to possibility of a little bit of overvaluation. As you can see here during the day, it was up over $60.20 at one time, maybe probably closer to $60.50. Closed the day at 59.23, so again, maybe one to watch for further pullback. But I will say Coca-Cola is one that typically trades above what you would think a normal PE ratio is, just because it's so it has a great brand. Everyone knows the brand. It also is a dividend aristocrat, so it has been paying a dividend for a very long time, and it is very dependable. Has a forward dividend of $1.76 annually. That's paid out quarterly, so divide that by 4. That'll tell you what your quarterly payment would be. It has a dividend yield of 2.87%, so a pretty nice dividend yield. And according to Yahoo Finance, I'm not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I like to pull some data from. They have a 1-year target estimate of $69.84. According to stockanalysis.com and the 37 stock analysts they have taken a look at this, they call it a consensus buy with a low estimate of $59. That actually is a little bit lower than where it currently sits. So that would be a 0.39% decline from its current price. As you can see here, it was up a little bit in the after hours. Has an average of $71.23, which would be a 20% increase from where it currently sits. And if it hit the high, it would be a $79.80, which would be 34.73% return per share. That seems pretty high, but again, you never know. It is a consumer staple, and with high inflation, sometimes consumer staples is a place people hide out in. So if you're interested in a consumer staple that's probably in your household and is in most households around the country, if not around the globe, this is one to take a look at. Again, I'm in this around, I think it's around $48, $49 per share, so maybe look for it to continue to pull back. But at 59.23, not a terrible entry point, not the greatest either. But again, they do see some appreciation in the stock price over the next year. With that said, as always, I appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Coca-Cola. Is it a stock in your portfolio? Is it a drink that you like? I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions and or opinions. Suggestions for future videos or constructive criticism are always welcome. With that, this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes through those who take a vested interest. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money. You should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always doing your own research. Invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.